Namaskar students, now we will be learning the divisibility of 8 now. Okay, so we will going little faster. Okay, so I will take the patterns we have already seen. So that's how we have to learn. How do we learn? We learn by seeing. These are hands, right? This is pen. You see and understand. That's how we have to see and understand the maths also. What you have to do? You have to see the maths and understand it. What you have to do? Tell me. So see and understand. Okay na? Then you will what? Remember the maths. Then only you will remember the maths. Okay? So that's how we have to understand. Okay? I will make you understand now. So divisibility of it. So what? Let us see 8. 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16, 24, 32, 40. Right? So in the 2 table, divisibility you remember. So what you remember? You remember the divisibility of what? That is 2 and what? 4. So remember the divisibility of 2 and divisibility of 4. So in the 2 divisibility what should be there? Last how many digit? Last 1 digit. How many digit? Last 1 digit should be 0 to 4, 6 and 8. Right? In divisibility of 4 how many digits? Last 2 digits. How many digits? Last 2 digit, isn't it? Okay. So in the divisibility of 8 how many will be there? Last 3 digits, isn't it? So that you know. But why last 3 digits? We have to repeat. What you have to see? You have to see the repetition. What we have to see? We have to see the repetition. When it will be repeated, then it will be easy. So check here. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 24, 32, 40, like that it will come. 8 table, then it will be all divisible. So if you go on in the 4, when it did it repeated, like 4, 25, like 4 ones are 4. 4 till like that, if you write till 4, 25 is 100. After that, 4, 26 is how much? 104, 108, like that it will repeat. 4, 50 is 200. It repeated after every 25. That is for 100, means last 2 digits. So for like this, for 8, what we have to do? We have to see the repetition when it will repeat. So check here. It is written, isn't it? So like this, if you go on till 125, 8, 125 is it will be 1000. So 8, 126 the 1008. It will be 1008. 8 is repeating here, isn't it? 127 is 1016. 128 is 1024. This is repeating 24 here, isn't it? So that's how the repetition will occur. So after how many digits? That is thousands. So we have to check last 3 digits. How many digits we have to check? We have to check the last 3 digits. What you have to do? You have to check last 3 digits here. If you take, that is 8, 250 is it will be 2000. Then again it will be 3 digits. If you go on multiplying again, 8, 325 is it will be how much? That is 3000. Again last 3 digits. So how many digits we have to check? We have to check the last 3 digits. We have to check how many? Last 3 digits. Okay, so we have to check last 3 digits. Understood? So this is what you have to remember here. How? Because this is repeating after 1000. There are 3 zeros, that is the 3 digits. That is 2000, 3000. It will repeat every 1000. Okay, so that's why we have to see how many digits? 3 digits. For divisibility of 2, last 1 digit. Divisibility of 4, last 2 digits. Divisibility of 8, how many digits? Last 3 digits. For 2, 1 digit. For 4, 2 digit. And for 8, 3 digits. If it is 16, 4 digits. We have to check. If it is divisible, then it will be divisible. Understood? So that's how we have to check. Okay, so let us see an example here. Okay, good. Okay, so this pattern you have to remember. What we have to do, we have to see the maths and understand, then it will be easy. Otherwise, if you remember and try to mug up, nothing will come. So we have to understand the maths. Maths is made from understanding. Okay na? Okay, so if it is 2 divisibility, 1 digit. If it is 4 divisibility, 2 digits. If it is 8 divisibility, 3 digits. If it is double of 8 is 16. 16 divisibility, 4 digits. And 32 divisibility, 5 digits. 64 divisibility, 6 digits. Very easy, right? That's how we have to understand. So now let us solve the example for divisibility of 8. So first question is 4104. So we have to check how many digits? Last 3 digits, that is 104. If it is divisible by 4, then that is 8, it will be divisible by 8. So check now. So if you divide 104, is it divisible? No, it is not divisible. Check here. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. From 10, 2 will be remaining. That is, it is 8 threes are 24. Completely divisible. Yes, it is divisible. Okay. So what can we say? That is 4000. What? Tell me. 4104 is divisible by what? 8. Understood? So that's how we have to remember. So 4104 is divisible. Okay. So what is divisible by? Yes, 4100, that is 4104 is divisible. Okay, divisible by 8. Understood? So here also, that is second question. Do it as classwork. Okay, so we have to check 3 digits, 676. So 676 divided by 8. If it is divisible by 8, it will be divisible. Check it and tell me now. Okay. So now students will solve the questions. Okay. So first, how to do directly, let us see here. So first question is what? That is, it is given as verify whether the given numbers are divisible by 8. So we have to verify. Let us see now. So 8 divisibility is, we have to check how many digits? Last, how many digits? 3 digits. Last 3 digits we have to check. And it should be even number also. It should be an even number also. Then only we will check the last 3 digits. Okay. So first one. Take the first one, second one. I will do 2 questions. Then you do it. Okay. So first question. So 8 divisibility is what? We have to do 3 digits. Let's take 3 digit is 402. 402 divided by 8. Now 8 how much are? 8 5s are 40. 2 is smaller. When it is smaller, we have to give 0. Then 2 is remainder. That is point will come. That is point means not divisible. So then it will be comma 2. So 2 is the remainder here. So remainder will be how much? 2 here. So it is not divisible. It is not divisible. The first question is not divisible. Understood? Second question. Let us see the second question here. So what is it? That is last 3 digit 270. 270 divided by how much? 8 here. So divide it. Is it divisible by 8? Tell me. Let's divide now. So 8 how much are? 8 3s are 24. 24 is gone means 3 will be remaining. And here also 38 3s are 24. From 30 24 is gone means 6 will be remaining. So that is the remainder here. That is what is the remainder here. Understood? 6 is the remainder. So then remainder is coming as 6. So it is not divisible. Understood? We have to check how many digits for 8. For 8 we have to check 3 digits. So checking 3 digits. Now here 400. Last 3 digits is 400. So 400 divided by 8. Is it completely divisible? Yes. 8 how much are? 8 5s are 40. 8 zeros are 0. No remainder. Remainder is 0 here. So no remainder, completely divisible. So then it is, yes, it is divisible. We have to write it. Understood? So you do the remaining question. Any doubt, you ask us. Okay now? Okay, good. So students, these are the answers for the classwork questions. Okay, this is how we have to do and understand if it is divisible or not. Okay, so next questions. That is, these questions you have to do as what? Homework. We have to do it as homework. Okay, all the 12 questions will be homework for the divisibility of 8. Understood? Divisibility of 8, you have to do it as a homework. Okay, so students, as I told you, divisibility, so we will little bit refresh it and then we will complete it. So for the divisibility of 2, what you have to do, tell me students? That is, we have to check last one digit. How many digit? Last one digit. It should be an even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay now? Even number. For 4, how many digits? Last, how many digits we have to check? 2 digit. It should be an even number also and divisible by 2 also. So we have to check both. So last 2 digits, right? So, and it should also be, that is the first condition. Last that is, we have to check first condition is what? That is the, so here I will write both the condition. First condition is what? That is even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And what? Second condition is last how many digits? Last 2 digit we have to check. For 8, what you have to do? 2 condition. First one is same, even number, and second one is how many digits? Last 3 digit. So it is doubling every time. So that is 2, 4 double, 4 double 8, 8 double how much? 16. So 16. For 16 it will be even number, and what? First condition will be even number and second condition will be how many digits? Last 4 digit we have to check. And for 32, that is first one even number, and for the second condition is how many digits? Last 5 digit. How many digit we have to check? We have to check last 5 digits. In the same way, if you continue, for the 64, what we have to do? We have to check first even number, and second one will be how many digits? Last, that is 6 digits we have to check. In the same way, 64 double is 128. For 128 we have to check first even number, and we have to check next last 7 digits. In the same way we can continue, go on. That's how we have to learn maths. We have to learn maths by seeing, analyzing and understanding. Then you will understand everything. You can ask your friends, yes, I know divisibility of 128. Do you know divisibility of 128? You ask your friends and you tell them how it is 7 digits. You teach your friends also. Okay, you ask your parents questions. Yes, do you know divisibility of 32? I know it. You have to check 5 digits, last 5 digits. That's how you have to understand. Understood? So everyone got it? Tell me. So that is divisibility of all the numbers, double of 2. That is power of 2 we say. This is power of 2. Okay, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. 32 is 2 power 5. So 5 digit, 2 power 6 is 64. That is last 6 digit. 2 power 7 is 128. So it's last 7 digits we have to check. Okay now? Okay, good. Yes, you have to write it down. Okay.